Hi to all. Now I will show you a new Khadas VIM. This is a great single board computer like Raspberry Pi and many others. The quality of image is awesome. This is a 4K image quality. This is a Vimeo. Wow! There are two different versions of board, Vim and Vim Pro. This is the Vim version. Both have unlogic 2 GHz 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex. The RAM is 2 GB of DDR3. There are 3 different user buttons: reset, function and power. Also, there are 2 USB ports 2.0 and 1 USB-C for power. The GPIO are 40 pins, and the pins have a USB, E2C, UART, SPDIF, PWM and ADC. The quality of material are really good. The quality of plastic, of plug, really good, and the system is very simple. You must only use a power supply and a TV with the HDMI. There are a site with many information like docs, install system, different kind of system. You can install for example a Linux system with a TF card inside of the board. This is a comparative table by Raspberry Pi 3 and Khadas VIM. There are many different. For example, video decoder is a 4K 60 FPS 10-bit. Yeah, now we can plug the board with USB-C for power, HDMI for video, you can use a keyboard like this with IR receiver or a truss keyboard with mouse and USB dongle. I use this. Okay, ready. As you can see, this is a LED or power LED, and this is a Android system on board. Now I use this keyboard with mouse, and this is a dongle, USB dongle for this keyboard. Also you can use a Bluetooth keyboard because the board have a Bluetooth built-in. I can use this with YouTube, for example. Okay, you can see your channel. Now the quality of material is really great. The plastic is robust. The quality of plug is really awesome. All is great. Now the quality of image is very good, and the speed of connection also is really great. Now I see YouTube behind the wireless connection without cable, and great. Also you can install Facebook apps, YouTube, Messenger, Skype, Spotify Music, like this. I have installed Netflix, and the audio is on HDMI port. You can also separate the audio with the external system if you want. You can also use this like a computer, and then you can install Android. Another feature more interesting for me is the Aptoide. Aptoide is like a Play Store, is a community with many apps. Kodi is an app for media center. Kodi is apps for movies, TV show, music, TV, radio, picture and video. You can share your video, your picture inside your LAN. You can share, for example, your photo on your smartphone and put this in Kodi Media Center and share with friends in your house with more protocols like iPlayer, DLNA DMR, DLNA DMP. If you want, use a SSH protocol for communicate with this board, for see inside the folder, the file inside the memory. You can use SSH Droid. This is a simple app that open the port inside the board, and you can see this is the address inside your LAN, your private LAN with port 2222. Now the SSH client is ready and I can use this with my computer. If you have a MacBook, you can use a terminal and type the command SSH root with the IP of your board. And for password you can use admin is the full password. Now we have inside the board, this is the folders in the board, and you can explore this like a computer. Also you can install many apps and use this like a server, media center, like a FTP center like this, or NAS if you want. Right, it's a great product. You can use, you can see, you can do with this on Gearbest. See the link below. If you like this video, you can share, like, subscribe on my channel. See you.